Today I am back with another topic related to kinetic theory of gases, and the new point is interpretation of temperature in kinetic theory. We are trying to interpret how this temperature affects the energy of the gas molecules. What is the relation for between temperature and the energy? We start with the equation for the pressure exerted by an enclosed gas. So if you remember that P is equal to 1 by 3 into Nm upon V into V square bar. This is the equation for pressure exerted by an enclosed gas. We remember that P is the pressure exerted, N is the number of gas molecules, small m is the mass of one gas molecule, V is the volume of gas, and V square bar is mean square velocity. If you rearrange this equation, इस equation को rearrange करने पर we will get PV is equal to 1 by 3 into Nm into V square bar. On the right hand side, I will multiply and divide by 2 so that there will be no effect on the value of right hand side. So multiplying and dividing, and dividing right hand side RHS right hand side by 2, we get राइट हैंड साइड को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करने पर ये इक्वेशन कुछ इस तरह दिखाई देगा PV इज इक्वल टू 2 बाय 3, ये मल्टीप्लीकेशन वाला 2 आ गया, इनटू N इनटू अब ये डिवीजन वाला 2 जो कि मैं 1/2 M V स्क्वायर बार ये ले रहा हूं। तो आपने चेंज देखा होगा, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड किया, मल्टीप्लीकेशन वाला 2 इधर यहां पर ला लिया, इसलिए यहां 2 आया है, और डिवीजन वाला 2 जो है तो यहां पर mv स्क्वायर के डिवीजन में 2 डाल दिया, मतलब यहां इसको 2 से डिवाइड कर दिया और इधर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया। तो ये इस तरह से ये इक्वेशन हमको दिखाई दे रहा है। अब ये जो टर्म है हाफ mv स्क्वायर बार, इसको कहते हैं एवरेज काइनेटिक एनर्जी। एवरेज काइनेटिक एनर्जी के लिए मैं के ई टर्म यूज कर रहा, के ई काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ ए मॉलिक्यूल, एक गैस मॉलिक्यूल की एवरेज काइनेटिक एनर्जी हाफ एम वी स्क्वायर, दिस इज एवरेज काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ अ मॉलिक्यूल। एंड इफ आई टेक दिस स्क्वायर टर्म that is n into half mv square bar, this gives the average total kinetic energy. So now I can say that this n into half mv square bar is equal to capital E, which is the average total energy, average total kinetic energy. So now this equation becomes PV is equal to 2 by 3 times. Now this complete square bracket I am replacing it by E. Okay, now we know the ideal gas equation. From this I can say E equals to this E equals to 3 by 2 PV, that is total average kinetic energy is equal to 3 by 2 PV. I am going to change this equation further. If I change this equation further, then it becomes, I am using now ideal gas equation. So ideal gas equation is PV is equal to nRT, but PV is equal to N RT. But in this case, I'll be using this equation. Instead of nRT, I'll be using NKBT. Capital N KBT. So in this equation, N is the total number of gas molecules, Kb is Boltzmann's constant, and T is the absolute temperature. So this value I am going to substitute in the equation of E. So therefore now I will get E is equal to, as you can see from this equation, 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Instead of PV, I will be putting here NKBT. NKBT. So, average total kinetic energy of the gas is equal to 3 NKBT upon 2. या फिर 3 by 2 NKBT. In this equation, I can take this N to this side, then it becomes E upon N is equal to 3 by 2 KBT. 3 by 2 KBT. And this E by N is called as kinetic energy per molecule. Kinetic energy per molecule is equal to, this kinetic energy per molecule is equal to 3 by 2 KBT. And from this equation, what is the relation which we get? So the relation that we are getting here is this Ke per molecule, this Ke kinetic energy per molecule is directly proportional to the absolute temperature T. This is the important relation we have got. Besides this, Kb is constant. It is Boltzmann's constant. 3 by 2 is constant. So the important interpretation of temperature in kinetic theory of gases is that this kinetic energy per molecule is directly proportional to the absolute temperature. That means the increase in absolute temperature will result in increase in kinetic energy per molecule of the gas. So this is the important conclusion. So this point ends here. Inshallah, we'll continue in the next lecture.